Lemon ginger syrup. Ingredients: 3 lemons, 2 centimeters root ginger, 4 teaspoons honey, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 4.5 ounces of horseradish. Instructions: 1. Peel the ginger and horseradish and chop into fine pieces, blend together. 2. Chop and add lemons to the ginger, horseradish mix. 3. Add 4 teaspoons of honey and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and blend well. 4. Make sure all ingredients are mixed together well and then place in an airtight jar. Notes: how to use it. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the morning on an empty stomach. Take another tablespoon at night before going to bed. Repeat this dosage 2 times a day, for at least 3 weeks to see results. Why it works. Lemon. Lemons are low in calories, but an excellent source of essential nutrients. Lemon juice acts as a mild diuretic, which can reduce bloating and tighten up your midsection. Lemons are also high in vitamin C. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that elevated levels of vitamin C are correlated with having a smaller waistline, because your body is able to burn fat more efficiently. Ginger. It is a metabolic activator and can increase your metabolic rate by 20%. Ginger is also known to aid in digestion and help soothe your stomach, so if you suffer from any food sensitivities or have trouble digesting, use ginger to help soothe your stomach. Honey. Honey contains beneficial vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are essential to dissolve fats and cholesterols. Honey is also packed with 22 amino acids that are beneficial to your body's metabolism. By regulating the function of your metabolism, you ensure that the food you eat is properly utilized within your body and that fat is converted to usable energy. Cinnamon. Taking up to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon a day can dramatically lower blood sugar levels and insulin output. High blood sugar levels are associated with weight gain and obesity, so it is mega important to keep it in check. Horseradish. It is very low in calories, has omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, that are an essential part of your metabolism, is high in fiber and rich in protein. Horseradish stimulates feeling satisfied and full, which will deter you from over-consuming food.